With 75% more suction power than leading upright deep carpet cleaners, the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner is best in class for washing away dirt and odors from your carpet. The Deep Carpet Cleaner uses dual cross-action brushes, which cleans all sides of every carpet fiber before grooming and polishing the carpet, all in one pass. The versatility tool is perfect for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and automobiles. If your carpet needs a little extra TLC, the Deep Carpet Cleaner comes with Super Boost. Use the Super Boost spray setting for an extra boost in cleaning heavily soiled and high-traffic areas. Check the back of your Rug Doctor. You'll know the Super Boost spray is working when you see it spraying extra solution while you clean. Best of all, your Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner is ready to use right out of the box. No assembly required. Let's get cleaning.
When you need the best possible results and commercial-grade durability, the Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine is the deep cleaner for you, giving you the best possible clean without the hassle of renting. Deep cleaning is a process that sprays water and formula deep into your carpet. The water and formula, along with the brushes, aid in loosening dirt and ground-in grit. It is then suctioned up, removing the embedded dirt that is most harmful to your carpet. Regular deep cleaning with the Big Green keeps your carpets looking newer longer. The rotating dirt lifter power brushes provide more cleaning power, penetrating your carpet fibers to remove deep down dirt as they groom your carpet for professional results. It's easily maneuverable, cleaning both forward and backward, so you can clean in half the time, while the unique dry air feature applies heat to the carpet while you clean. The Bissell exclusive flow indicator monitors water and solution levels, so you know when it's time to check the tanks. Large capacity tanks mean fewer trips to the sink. Plus, both tanks remove for easy filling and emptying. With the convenient long reach hose and 6-inch tough stain tool, you can easily remove tough spots and stains in tight corners and hard to reach places. Plus, the handle folds for easy storing. Big Green, professional level performance for a better clean. From Bissell, the #1 selling brand in deep cleaning.
Whether it's muddy paw prints, accidents, or a wagging tail that swats over a soda can, furry friends leave their mark on your home. That's why we've created the Bissell Deep Clean Deluxe Pet. This complete system deep cleans beyond what's seen for professional-style carpet cleaning results, leaving your carpets looking and feeling cleaner than those that are simply vacuumed. The Deep Clean Deluxe Pet cleans up pet messes by spraying a mixture of water and Bissell cleaning formula onto carpets and rugs. Then, dual rotating power brushes with 12 rows of cleaning bristles reach deep into carpet fibers to loosen ground-in dirt before powerful suction lifts it away. The Deep Clean Deluxe Pet has several special features that make it even more effective. The water tank is 25% larger, which means fewer trips to the sink and faster cleaning. And heatwave technology is built into the Deep Clean Deluxe Pet to help maintain the temperature of the water and cleaning solution while you clean. When it comes to extra gross, extra stinky pet messes, use the Stain Trapper tool to capture and isolate pet messes from coming into contact with other parts of your machine. The twist-off container makes for easy cleanup and pet mess disposal. For heavy-duty spot cleaning, target tough stains with the press of a button. The Clean Shot trigger allows you to spray a concentrated stream of cleaning solution directly onto stubborn spots and stains. You can also customize the way you clean by filling this machine with the Bissell formula that fits your unique cleaning needs and lifestyle. Choose formulas that remove pet stains and odors, refresh with a light scent, remove household allergens, protect against future stains with Scotch Guard, and provide professional-style cleaning results. When you're done, the Deep Clean Deluxe Pet requires minimal cleanup and machine maintenance. The DuraStrength nozzle prevents hair buildup from clogging the nozzle, and the removable pet hair basket captures and prevents fur and other small debris from reaching the dirty water tank and mixing with the dirty water. The Bissell Deep Clean Deluxe Pet makes it easy to provide exceptional care for your home and your furry friends.